Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite peanut butter oatmeal cookies. So let's take 100 gram room temperature butter. Let me show you how you can check if your butter is at room temperature. Press your finger lightly on the butter. If it feels cool to touch and leaves a finger mark, you know your butter is good to go. Now I'm adding 100 gram peanut butter. You can use another 100 gram normal butter if you don't want to use peanut butter, but it will change the taste of the cookies. Now I'm adding 70 gram granulated sugar and 100 gram brown sugar. I'm roughly mixing these ingredients with a spatula before using hand mixer. Now using hand mixer, I'm blending again. As the color of the mixture changes to light brown from dark brown, I'm adding 1 room temperature egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and mixing again. We can stop once the mixture becomes creamy. It's time to add our dry ingredients. First, I'm gonna add 150 gram plain flour, half teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is optional, but it adds really nice texture to the cookies. Adding a pinch of salt. Now I'll keep folding these dry ingredients with a spatula until it's fully incorporated. Adding 30 gram oatmeal and folding again. Now I'm adding 15 gram chopped cranberries, 15 gram chopped raisins, and 20 gram chopped dark chocolate, folding all this together. All 3 of these ingredients are optional, so you can skip any 1 or 2 of these, but I would highly suggest not to skip chocolate at least. You can see this is the beauty of this recipe. You can play around with the ingredients and make it as you please. So our cookie dough is ready and I have lined my baking tray. Now I'll make small balls out of the dough and place them on baking tray. I have chopped some almonds to add on top of my cookies. I'm gently pressing my finger on top of each cookie dough so that I can add almonds. You can use any other nuts of your choice, or you can skip this step altogether. Now this needs to go into the oven. I'll bake them in a preheated oven at 170 C for 20 to 25 minutes. So this is how our baked cookies look. Let them cool for some time and they are ready to eat. With this measurement you can at least make 30 cookies. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment box if you have any question. These cookies are so good that I don't buy cookies anymore, and I'm sure you won't either. See you in my next video. Enjoy!